education is one of the cornerstones of society that IT not only equips individuals with the knowledge they need to succeed professionally, but it also shapes their character, perspectives, and values. From a young age, we are introduced to basic subjects like mathematics, science, and language. These fundamental building blocks provide the foundation for more complex topics and skills later in life. However, education is not just about memorizing facts and passing exams. It's about learning how to think critically, solve problems, and understand the world around us. For many people, education continues long after they leave school or university. Lifelong learning has become an essential part of the modern world, especially with the rapid advancement of technology and industries. In today's job market, it is important to continuously update your skills to remain competitive. Whether it's through online courses, workshops, or self-study, there are countless ways to keep learning. Moreover, education doesn't just come from formal institutions. It can happen in informal settings too. Traveling, engaging in discussions with others, and reading widely can also be highly educational. In this sense, education is an ongoing process that goes beyond the classroom and into everyday life. The more we learn, the more we can contribute to society and make informed decisions about the world around us. As technology continues to evolve, the role of education in shaping individuals and society becomes even more significant. Ensuring that people are prepared for the challenges and opportunities of the future. In recent years, technology has revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact with others. The advancement of digital tools and platforms has made life more convenient. But it has also created new challenges and raised important questions about privacy, security, and dependence on technology. For example, smartphones have become a central part of our daily lives. They allow us to communicate instantly with anyone around the world, access information, shop online, and much more. Social media platforms also play a huge role in how people connect with each other, and they've transformed the way businesses operate, allowing companies to reach global audiences. That on the professional side, technology has made tasks more efficient, with tools for communication, project management, and data analysis. Automation and artificial intelligence, AI, have already started to change industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and finance, improving productivity but also raising concerns about job displacement. Despite these challenges, technology has the potential to bring positive changes to the world. For instance, advancements in medical technology have led to new treatments and vaccines that save lives. In education, technology has enabled online learning, opening doors to knowledge for people in remote areas or those with busy schedules. However, the rapid pace of change. Welcome to the journey of Elon Musk, visionary innovator and disruptor. In this audiobook, we'll explore the remarkable history of one of the most influential figures of our time, Elon Musk. From his early years in South Africa to his rise as the CEO of companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and more, Musk's journey is filled with challenges, triumphs, and groundbreaking innovations. Join us as we delve into the life of a man who has redefined what it means to dream big and push the boundaries of what's possible. Chapter 1: Early Years, the Formative Years. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa, to a Canadian mother, May Musk, and a South African father, Errol Musk. Growing up in a family that fostered education and creativity, Musk showed an early interest in technology and innovation. His parents divorced when he was young, and Musk moved with his siblings to live with his father, a man he later described as difficult and often distant.